Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm your friend Brandon here at Dripworks. Today I would like to show you one of our raised garden beds. This particular one is 32 inches deep and 42 inches wide, which is suitable for anybody that's been dreaming or wanting to have dwarf trees, flowering shrubs. Raspberry are a great one to grow in there. It's suitable for city life. You may want to know a little tip that we have, since it takes quite a bit of dirt to fill this up. In a previous video we are showing you how we do layers of household products, yard waste, debris you have around your house over winter. Could be branches, leaves. You put a layer of something like that, yard trimmings down, you put a layer of topsoil above it. Now I'm going to show you how we did that with this. So here at the top we have just fertilized soil. As you dig in, you can see that we have a layer here of yard trimmings and yard waste. What you're going to want to do at the top part here, portion for at least say about 20 inches deep, you just want fertilized compost. That's going to be the root base of your plants. Another friendly tip, in the winters, these could have a tendency to freeze in really cold environments. You may want to wrap it if you have any plants that are sensitive to a cold environment. I hope this information has been useful for you. Check us out at dripworks.com, and I hope you all have a great day.